Celebrate good times, come on. Let's celebrate. It's raining, it's pouring. The old man is snoring. He went to bed and bumped his head and couldn't get up in the morning. I'm driving home to see my baby girl. I'm driving home to bake some cookies. I was gonna bake cookies last night, but I didn't because I was much too tired. But more importantly, I'm gonna do it tonight, which means I shall still have cookies. I'm singing in the rain. I'm singing in the rain. Something that rhymes with rain. I'm not dancing in the rain. Technically, I'm not singing in the rain because I'm sitting in a car. But it's raining on the car, and so I'm singing in the rain. I'm just kidding. I'm not going to sing again. I hope you liked my singing bursts. That's what I like to do on a daily basis because I think it's absolutely hysterical and it's just so much fun. So, I'm going to go inside. I'm going to have fun baking cookies. But can't really do too much because I don't know how this happened, but I got a cut on my finger. So I'm using my daughter's unicorn band-aid. I'm not going to flip you guys off, just showing you. There we go, 2 fingers. Haha, it's very, very fun and fancy. I didn't get them for her. Her mother, or my mother-in-law, her grandma got them for her. So I didn't have to pay any money for them. But they're all running out. So I do have to get some kind of other fancy kid band-aid because she's addicted to band-aids and she thinks that they're stickers. And even though she gets a poo-poo, that's a boo-boo, she wants a band-aid on it, but then she'll rip it off like 0.2 seconds later. Anyway, I'm rambling on for no apparent reason. And hope you enjoyed my singing. It was fun. I will catch you guys on the next video. Remember to like and comment your thoughts and ideas.